Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your Dropbox public. So make sure watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to have your Dropbox. So basically just go to your dropbox.com and then you will need to download the app, or you can just use the mobile app so you can be able to use Dropbox. So as you can see from here, you can just log in into your account and you can start uploading content. And basically, you can just upload or have anything you want. So let's just create a folder so I can show you how to make your files or folders public. So here I'm just going to this folder. I'm just going to create, and from here I will have this folder. We can find them here. And for each folder, we can have some files. And all you need to do now is just to share your folder so you can make it public. So here you can copy the link, and this link will be the access to this folder. So here now on the settings, we can start manage the permission, and here you can see the sharing stuff. So what matters the most is to manage the permissions, and these permissions are what are going to make your folder or file public. Now the link for editing, or just here you can see the people who saw or who access the link, and from here you will need just to type or click here on the link or just the settings, and just going into manage permission. Here you can find the folder settings or link for editing. So basically for that you will need just to add folder member, and basically for editing you will need just to click on anyone with the link will have the access to this file, and by that uh, it will become public. Otherwise, if only people invited, you will need to start inviting each people one by one. So just make anyone with the link and click on save. You give them the link, which is this one, and that's it. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.